Now we're getting ready to remove the wheel, but before you place the jack underneath, loosen up the lug nuts. You don't need to remove them, just break them loose. If you raise the car, then you put the wrench on the wheel might spin or move, so instead just get these lug nuts loose first. And right here, remember to always push down, so you don't want to be on this side and pulling this up. So always be on the side where you're pushing down, right? I believe we have them all loose at this point. Now at this point we do have the wheel off the ground, so what we can do is go ahead and slide the jack stand underneath. Now we have the jack and jack stands underneath, so we can go ahead and remove the wheel. As an extra safety measure, I just like to slide the wheel right underneath the car on a position where it's away and it's not blocking